Me, I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me a start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. Chimney Records.
Alright guys, I'm at the beach now. I'm at Elsha here waiting on my aunt. I have on makeup today. I put on makeup because I don't know who I might meet. I might meet a celebrity, you know, the celebrity them always coming to Elsha, go and hang out with them girls. You know, I have to make sure I look good. So I get picture, I get one of them. Like Mastic or Dexadaps or I doing it, one of them. But yeah, we just reached. We're here at this little restaurant waiting on my aunt. We're not gonna eat. I wanna go take pictures and go on the beach and then dry off and get dry off and get fish on festival or lobster or some soup. But here's the view. Very gorgeous. And then I'll show you guys my bathing suit when I'm done. But yeah. See pepper shrimp here. Yeah. Pepper shrimp.
Danny's smart.
You here?
No.
Shh, you dip on video. Pepper shrimp, I see here. But I want to go like on the actual beach side, like where all the sand at and stuff.
Yeah.
But I can take my pictures here though.
Yeah. Sexy auntie. Yeah. With
yeah, look fine. Yeah, good day.
Wait here, take this off.
Be on video. Wait there. Wait. Wanna come back here, boy? Hey, sexy mama. Yeah, twerk it, twerk it. Tristy, come on. Living our best life.
Yes, we enjoy it, living our best life.
Yes.
Working large.
Oh, look, it's like enough people them over there. So look how the people over there want.
Yeah, but it's a beach of rough one.
Is it rough?
You have to be yourself.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Tristy, have people come out and shine.
Alright, look right here. Titi, you weighing me up. I don't want the damn head. You want the head here?
Yes, have a look.
She said, what the fuck I'm giving her head for? Why they have it? I want to shrimp like what we not to do no. Them the clean off is sitting there. I don't want to right here, have it. I'm too much done with here, so. Beach. Elsha. I'm about to go check out my fish on festival to see if it's done yet. Yeah, it's very beautiful. What? Titi, move! You get on my fucking nerves. Shit. I ain't get no good pictures. Ain't nobody take no pictures the same day damn way. All my pictures that come out dark and stuff. You feel your buckle, Bumba? You feel your buckle? So you feel it so quick? Pull up your pants, it don't look good. Pull up your pants, or take it off. It's alright. Where Tristy? Where Tristy? You sure? The fish must done though. Right?
What that girl of our belly?
Where are you from, honey?
Every time she can
Oh, God, I gotta be careful with my phone drop. My hair went up too, it's alright. Ooh, I want to go by the big part where everybody did. No, but I want to go so people can see me.
Good production.
I'm here waiting on the fish. We are eat good fried fish on festival and mommy sneak delicious. Look from Boom play with our big fish, our chest high.
And I will work hard to deserve it.
Yes, you do. Oh God. I love festival. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Guys, I am full. This is what I left. I can't eat no more. The 4 fish was $17,000. It's $1,700 a pound, and it was like £9 or something like that. My God, $17,000 plus at the bar I would spend like $4,000. So all in all, about $22,000 we just spent. My God, enough money that. No, I don't want any. No, too fucking dear. Shit. My God. The crab do look good, bro. Me heart for just a friend. Trust a friend. Me not lie, me love me family, but me no trust the whole of them. Whole of them might sound fuck up, but that's how me feel. Only wanna just a feel. Some of them hearts feel because my thugs are the realest thugs, and my heart is they will just and me head is patient, so I just feel real good. Oi. Fucking senator, they motherfucking janitor. You buy new, be my careful, who you confide in. And anybody pour my drink, and anybody buy my dinner. It's so hard for trust the enemy, hard for trust a friend. Trust your friend. Me not lie, me love me family, but me not trust the one of them. The one of them. My soul buck up, but that's how me feel. You trust your family, Boom Boom?
Hell no. I don't like none of them.
So you don't like me?
No, you're not family, you're my baby.
Whatever. My bro, them stand up.
Our body says.
Yeah, she have a nice body.
Smiling.
I just got this. And then me and my aunt got these matches.
Tristy!
Mommy, can I get this one?
No, you're gonna lose it.
I'm not.
Guys, we're supposed to go wash off with some clean water, but they say it's $100 per person. You seriously? Everything in Jamaica take money. $100 to clean off, to wash off with clean water. No, I wait till I go home and be it. $100 per person?
It don't work like that.
After we just spent like what, $20,000
Yeah,
on damn
I got a
food.
10.
Yeah, you got a 10. Look, I'm looking good. Oh, we got matching necklaces.
Yes.
Jamaica with the weed. I know the stereotype, every Jamaican smoke ganja.
Yes.
Yeah.
I gotta say yard.
They say yard man thing. Alright guys, we went to the one river now to go wash off because we're not paying $100 at the damn beach. Hey, river. Never wash off the saltness off of my body. We just washed off in the river and oh my god, it feels so good. I couldn't tell you when was the last time I went to a river. Probably like 2007 was the last time I went to a river until now. Yes, oh god. But it felt so good, it was so refreshing. I didn't bring no other clothes, so I just dried out my bathing suit and put back on my shorts. And my aunt just changed in the car. Yeah, now we're gonna head back to country so she can go chop up her meat and stuff for tomorrow. Then I do one next little casting for the whole, so I go do one next cooking and stuff. Tracy, did you have fun at the bleach? Hey, Tracy, look. You had fun at the bleach? You had fun at the river? Which one you like more, the river or the beach? Tracy, which one you like more, the river or beach? The river? Yeah. Why? I like it two of them, but the river more refreshing and stuff. You look good, Auntie. 10 out of 10. Yes, girl, you look good. Me catch up cool. My nose are sitting there. It's a bad at me. Bad. Guys, I just woke up from a nap after I came from the beach, and I think I catch up fever or something. We're in the supermarket now. Getting last minute stuff for tomorrow. I look like a fucking mess right now. My makeup I come off. I look good. The man not gonna call to me looking like this.
Yeah.
So we are looking stuff for soon. Look for the auntie. She just do her hair, her edges. You see any else? Are you just
It's gel polish, yes. I don't
she have
like
gel
fake
polish?
nails. Yes.
I love. You think I should do this again?
Probably she nice and
She need the money.
Yeah,
one thing with my life to support Jamaican people. Today me the beach. One man
she
has
charged me $600. Me give her 2,000. Tell me say God now go bless me.
It might go bless you. With the beach, and one boy I sell chocolate. He said, you can't help me, you can't support me, so you can't buy one shoes. I said, oh God. So I must buy like 5 candy, you know. I give him a little change, I'm going to keep it. God go bless me, you know. I love help people. Like I'm easy for sorry for people, I swear. But when you buy pizza already? Oh, your pizza sold.
Yeah, I learn from my mistake.
Where you soak in a garlic?
Yes, me not a pimento. Mommy, you have pimento?
Yeah, look how if you buy the fish and you don't buy the check for you.
Then I can't check for you with cabbage Jackie?
You want fish?
Find the fish, okay, then I get one.
Oh God. My dinner, my roast breadfruit and jerk pork. Yes. They look good. But I need something for vlog, so I'm about to eat this now.
Good production.